Hey guys, Selena here. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm diving into the Mammotion YUKA 2000, a robotic lawnmower that's turning heads for its cutting-edge features. I got mine from Amazon, and after weeks of testing it on my half-acre lawn, I'm excited to share the pros, cons, and why this mower might just be your next lawn care game changer. Let's start with what makes the YUKA 2000 shine. This thing is a tech marvel. It uses a combo of 3D vision positioning and RTK fusion mapping to navigate with pinpoint accuracy, even in yards with obstacles covering over 50% of the space. I've got trees, flower beds, and a kid's playset, and the YUKA dodges them like a pro thanks to its AI that recognizes over 100 objects. No perimeter wire needed, which is a huge win. Setup took me about 20 minutes using the Mammotion app. You just drive it around your lawn's edges like an RC car, set boundaries, and you're good to go. The YUKA 2000 covers up to 2,000 square meters and handles up to 20 custom zones. I split my yard into front, back, and side sections, each with its own mowing schedule and pattern, like parallel lines or diamond grids. The app is packed with options, letting you tweak cutting heights from 1.2 to 4 inches and even create lawn art with custom designs. My kids loved seeing our family initials mowed into the grass. Plus, it's eco-friendly, running on a quiet battery and self-charging when low. Now, the optional sweeper kit, this is a standout. It picks up leaves, twigs, and clippings while mowing, dumping them in up to 100 designated spots you set in the app. In fall, it kept my lawn spotless, saving me hours of raking. The dual cutting discs with 5 blades each give a clean, carpet-like finish, even on thick or wet grass, and the anti-clog design means no stopping to clear jams. It also climbs slopes up to 45% without the sweeper, perfect for my hilly backyard. But no product's perfect, right? There are a few cons to note. The RTK antenna is a bit bulky, mounted on a tall pole that's not the prettiest addition to your yard. There's an optional wall mount to make it less noticeable, but it's an extra cost. The app, while feature-rich, can feel clunky with multiple menus to navigate. It took me a bit to get the hang of it. Also, the YUKA 2000's price, around $1,700, plus $500 for the sweeper, makes it a big investment. Some firmware updates have been glitchy too, like one that briefly messed with perimeter cutting, though Mammotion's quick to roll out fixes. Despite these drawbacks, the YUKA 2000's pros far outweigh the cons. It's saved me countless hours, delivers a pristine lawn, and the sweeper makes it a 2-in-1 solution. If you've got a medium to large yard and want a hands-off mowing experience, this is worth every penny. Its smart navigation, customization, and debris-clearing power set it apart from other robotic mowers. Ready to upgrade your lawn care? Grab the Mammotion YUKA 2000 on Amazon using the link below for the best pricing and special promotional offers through Rick's Review Hub. Don't miss out. Also, check out our other videos for reviews on similar robotic mowers and lawn care gadgets. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, or subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, happy mowing